Hello everyone, this is Bruce.coane. I'm a board-certified immigration lawyer, and today I'm coming to you from our Houston office, and I was just reading one of my favorite books, not the Bible this time. This time I'm reading the Immigration and Nationality Act, because a lot of my friends have been asking me, what's the deal with this caravan heading up to the United States southern border? And a lot of people are very concerned. They're afraid all these people are going to crash through the fences and run all over the place and not enter the United States in an orderly fashion. And the rumor is that these people are coming to the United States to apply for asylum. And there's a lot of stuff in the media, and people just don't know what to believe. You know, what's the real truth? So the best place to start to find the truth about asylum is the law itself. The Immigration and Nationality Act, and this is the law that was passed by Congress, signed by the presidents over a period of years, but this has been the law for decades, nothing new here. And what exactly does the law itself say? Because we hear about the president and executive orders and national security and all this other stuff, but here's what the law itself says. It says, any alien who is physically present in the United States or who arrives in the United States, whether or not at a designated port of arrival, may apply for asylum. That's the law. Doesn't matter whether you arrive at an official port, such as one of the entry gates into the U.S., or whether you've crossed in the middle of the desert somewhere, or you crossed down from Canada across a river. If you're in the United States, you can apply for asylum. If you're outside the United States, you cannot apply for asylum, but you can apply for refugee status. This is very technical legal stuff. But at the end of the day, it's all about the law and what the law has to say. And the law is very clear that whether you enter at the port of entry, which is a border crossing, or whether you enter illegally and are caught at some point by the authorities, you still retain that right under the law to apply for asylum. And neither the president nor one house of the Congress, the Senate, the House of Representatives, they can't change it. To change this law, you need to have another law passed by the House of Representatives, the Senate, and signed by the President in order to change this law. So I hope that this information has helped to understand exactly what's going on, how the people in the caravan should be treated under the law and not under a bunch of speculation and talk and executive orders. Because as we all know, from way back in the Obama era, executive orders are not law, and that only the Congress can make law, and then it has to be signed by the president. So I wish you all a good day, and feel free to email me or see me around town and ask me whatever questions you like about asylum and the caravan.